Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly and easily cut, copy, and paste in Microsoft Word. And this tutorial applies for other Office products as well, and even most applications or files in general. It's a pretty universal system of how to copy and paste, and it's applicable in a lot of different ways of using a computer. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing we're going to cover is how to cut text, which basically means to copy text from one location and then paste it into another area. And once you paste it in the other area, it will be removed or deleted from the original source. So I'll show you guys how to cut text first. So let's go ahead and cut the last paragraph or last section of this paragraph on the first section here. So let's go ahead and cut the last sentence of this first paragraph here. And then I'm going to go paste it at the end of this second paragraph. So I'm just going to right click in a blank area. And I'm going to select where it says either keep source formatting or keep text only. It doesn't really matter. So the keyboard shortcut for that would be Control and the X key to cut. So if you wanted to cut it from the beginning, the first step we did was Control and the X key. And if you want to paste, it's Control and the V key. So that's the first way of how we're going to go about cutting and pasting. Second thing we're going to go over is how to copy and paste. So if you just want to copy text and not delete the original source and just paste it into a different area, I'm going to show you guys how to do that next. So go ahead and highlight over whatever text you want to copy, right click and copy. That would be the Control C key combination. So again, the Control and the C key on your keyboard at the same time. That will copy that instead of having to right click and copy over it. You would have to highlight the text regardless, and then go to the area of the destination where you want to paste the text, right click, and then select the paste option like we did after cutting the text previously. And you can either keep source formatting or keep text only, doesn't really matter to me. And the keyboard shortcut for pasting, like I said, is Control V. So Control C is copying text, Control X is cutting text, and Control V is pasting text. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.